Today we have the most hyped phone of Motorola with us, the Moto Edge 50 Fusion. Its camera is being talked about a lot, and it is being said that it clicks really good low light pictures, which if true is quite impressive because this one costs less than 25,000 rupees. So today we will test all the different modes of its camera and let you make the decision. It has a dual rear camera setup. There's a 50 megapixel primary camera with a Sony Litia 700C sensor and a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera that also doubles as macro camera. For selfies and video calls, it has a 32 megapixel front facing camera. It comes with support for optical image stabilization and up to 10x zoom. So, this was our take on the Motorola Edge 50 Fusion's camera. Do tell us what you think in the comments below.